and I would like to make it appeal here. The trial against Lee Cheuk-yin and Zhao Hentong of the Hong Kong Alliance is not only a trial against them as individuals, but a trial against all those who have ever taken part in the June 4 candlelight rituals. This and our commitment to justice. Therefore, we urge Hong Kongers overseas to speak out for them as much as possible. Do not let the defendants in this case face this battle alone. 咁我喺度作出特別嘅呼籲啦，因為而家政權針對支聯會李卓人同埋張行同作出嘅審判呢，其實並唔係單單針對佢哋兩個人，而係對所有以往曾經參加6·4燭光晚會嘅人呢作出一次審判。呢個係對我哋一直堅守嘅良知同埋公義嘅審判。所以我哋呼籲呢，身處喺香港、身處喺海外嘅香港人，既然大家仍然有自由可以發聲嘅時候呢，千祈唔好讓到李卓人同埋周幸彤呢需要孤軍作戰，我哋要一齊出嚟聲援佢哋。多謝大家。